will be doing the genetics next year. Okay, the whole one unit is genetics, and until and unless you are clear with the structure of the two different types of the nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA, as well as the different types of RNA, the detailed structure we will be discussing. Okay, तो आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स. So you can put the subheading in your notebook. Now I am starting with it. Now in ninth class, you all have done that what is nucleic acid. So you are knowing that there are two types of the nucleic acids. Now Rumisha will quickly tell me what are the two types of nucleic acids.
DNA and RNA.
DNA and RNA. Okay, so what is the full form of DNA?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Yeah. Okay, then Barbie will tell me what is the full form of RNA. What is RNA, Barbie?
Ma'am, ribonucleic acid.
Ribonucleic acid. Okay, ठीक है. अब now write down the nucleic acids. So write down they are present inside the nucleus. And are synthesized inside the nucleus. They are synthesized inside the nucleus. Then write down they are of two types. They are of two types. Number one, DNA. Number one, DNA. And other one, RNA. Now we'll try to understand first what is the structure of the DNA. So you write down DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Noted, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write down that DNA is a polymer made up of monomer units called nucleotides. Now try to understand, children, that what is a DNA. DNA is a polymer. Okay, just as we have discussed, carbohydrate is also a polymer, protein also a polymer, lipid is also a polymer, made up of monomer units. So you have seen that carbohydrates made up of the glucose, and that is a monosaccharide. So monosaccharide uske monomer units ho gaye. Same way, when you take up the proteins, it is made up of the monomers, which is the amino acid. Then lipids made up of the fatty acid and glycerol. Same way, DNA is a polymer made up of the monomer units. And what are those units called?
Nucleotides.
Nucleotides. Okay, now we will try to understand first what is the structure of this nucleotide. So write down they are made up of three components. First, you write down that way, that will be better. They are made up of, so you after nucleotides, you write down. They are made up of, they means here what?
Nucleotides.
Nucleotide.
Nucleotides are made up of nucleoside, nucleoside and phosphate. Okay, so what is a nucleotide? Nucleotide is made up of, or nucleotides are made up of nucleoside and phosphate group. Okay, or phosphate. That is PO4. Now you will understand that what is a nucleoside. So for this now what you do, write the equation below. Okay, अब अपन क्या equation लिखेंगे? Nucleotide so write down nucleotide. It is made up of nucleoside plus phosphate. Okay, now you will see that what is nucleoside. So nucleoside is containing the, so we are discussing DNA. So which sugar? Deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar plus the nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base. So did you understand what is a nucleoside? Nucleoside is deoxyribose sugar plus the nitrogenous base. Okay, and so this way if you take up the nucleotide, तो वो उसमें क्या लिखेंगे? It is made up of three components. What are those three components then which make up the nucleotide? Speak up.
Deoxyribose sugar,
हाँ, plus
nitrogen
nitrogenous base
and phosphate.
plus phosphate. Is it clear? So plus phosphate group. Followed all of you all. So you can now we will take up what is a deoxyribose sugar. So deoxyribose sugar is a pentose sugar. So we'll take up one by one each. First write down deoxyribose sugar. Each component we'll try to understand. So first component, which one we will try to see? The deoxyribose sugar. So it is a pentose sugar. So you can write down the first point is given in the, you can see the screen children everyone nicely. I hope it's not that
Yes,
small.
ma'am.
So you write down it is a pentose sugar. It is a pentose sugar. It is a 5 carbon, which is a 5 carbon sugar. Which is a 5 carbon sugar. having a ring structure, having a ring structure, 5 carbon sugar having a ring structure formed of 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. The 5th carbon is outside the ring. 5th carbon is outside the ring. Now try to see this structure. Okay, this is deoxyribose. Okay, see only this structure. Don't the screen is everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
नेहा क्लियर ना? तो अब ये बॉन्डिंग मत देखना, आप स्ट्रक्चर क्या बनाओ, you will be made. Okay, so what is a deoxyribose sugar? It is a sugar which is consisting of the 5 carbon atoms. But 5 carbon atoms, when you see, so how they are arranged, you find that it is having the deoxyribose sugar is made up of the 5-membered ring. But the 5-membered ring, how it is made up of? So you start counting from here, this side. Okay, first carbon, then second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and this is your 5th carbon. So the ring is made up of 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. But the 5th carbon is outside the ring. 5th carbon is outside the ring. So everyone is making the structure of the deoxyribose sugar. अब ये बॉन्ड नहीं बनाएंगे तो ऊपर क्या बनाएंगे आप फिर? OH. What will be there? OH. Okay, don't make this line. अपन सिर्फ इतना deoxyribose sugar you have to make. So deoxyribose sugar will make the 5-membered ring. And 5-membered में 4 carbon and 1 oxygen you will make. Okay, and with each carbon you will write HOH and HOH. Here also first carbon will also have H and then OH. And then here it is CH2OH. The 5th carbon will have CH2OH. Noted, everyone? Did you make this structure of the deoxyribose sugar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I move ahead now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll take up the second component. So what is the second component?
Phosphate.
No, we'll take up the, first we are talking about the
Right.
nucleoside. So nucleoside, the second one is your nitrogenous base. Okay, nitrogenous base. You have noted that? So write down. They are nitrogen containing heterocyclic. They are nitrogen containing heterocyclic basic ring. Basic ring compounds. Ring compound. Noted? Ring compounds. Then write down they are of 2 types. They are of 2 types. Everyone is noting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नोट ठीक है, अभी याद हो जाना चाहिए. एज द क्लास विल एंड ना, बिफोर दैट आई विल बी आस्किंग. That what is a DNA, what are its components. So everyone should learn it now only. So I'm repeating. Okay, DNA is a polymer made up of monomer units called nucleotides. Raj, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you noting also properly everything?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. अब now what you do after this class, I want everyone to send the PDF of those pages which you are writing here in the class. इज इट क्लियर? तो जो नोट कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल वैसा का वैसा ही उसको क्लिक करके आप मेरे को भेजिए. सो आई वांट टू सी दैट हाउ यू आर एबल टू डू द वर्क व्हेन द क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन. Okay, so DNA is a polymer made up of the monomer units called nucleotides. Now, what is a nucleotide? So, try to understand that nucleotide is made up of nucleoside and the phosphate group. Okay, so we have taken in the equation form that nucleotide is consisting of the nucleoside plus the nucleo that is your phosphate group. Okay, so you can write down phosphate group there. Now what is nucleoside? We have to understand. So nucleoside is consisting of the two components. One is deoxyribose sugar and the nitrogenous base. Deoxyribose sugar and nitrogenous base. Now what is deoxyribose sugar? We have to understand. So deoxyribose sugar is a pentose sugar. When you say pentose sugar means it is having 5 carbon. Okay, now it is having a ring structure. So how that ring is formed, everyone should understand that ring, that 5-membered ring, is formed of the 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. Do you have the structure in front of you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
तो structure समझ में आ गया that how the 5-membered ring is formed? हाँ, Rubisha, can you tell me how the 5-membered ring is formed?
Ma'am,
हाँ,
um, 4 carbons are arranged in a cyclic manner or inside that molecule.
okay, what I said just now. How the 5-membered, आप 4 बोल रहे हैं तो 5-membered ring कैसे बना?
Ma'am, 4 are inside and one oxygen atom is joined with them. The remaining one is outside that,
So
outside the ring.
you have to say 5-membered ring is made up of 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. What you have to say? The ring is made up of
5 carbon,
no.
4 carbon
Four
and 1
carbon.
oxygen.
Ah, the ring is made up of 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. And the 5th carbon is
Outside the ring.
outside the ring. Is it very clear this much to everyone? Clear or not, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
we are coming to nitrogenous base now. So what is nitrogenous base? So nitrogenous bases, they are the nitrogen containing heterocyclic ring compounds. That much you have written everywhere. Now they are of 2 types. So how they are grouped? They are grouped into 2 types. One is purine and the so first one, write down purine, and the second one, pyrimidine. So everything try to learn it in proper organized way. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजनस बेसिस दो तरह के हैं. One is purine and another one is pyrimidine. Now what are purines? Try to understand. So purines are having double ring structure. They are having double ring structure. Consisting of one benzene ring, one benzene ring, and one, and attached to it you can write out, and is attached to it is a 5-membered imidazole ring. Imidazole ring. Did you understand purine का क्या structure है? Can you read someone what is the purine structure?
Purine are having double ring structure and consist of one benzene ring, and attached to it is a 5-membered imidazole ring.
Imidazole ring. Everyone has noted. Now try to understand here, seeing the structure. Okay, अब यहाँ पर देखो, you find these yellow colored structure, these 5-membered rings, these are the pentose sugar. Okay, now pentose sugar, if it is a deoxyribose nucleic acid, so that sugar will be the deoxyribose sugar. Okay, अगर RNA है तो वो राइबोज शुगर होगा. Now to this you can see here the structures, blue color, green color, then red color. This way their structures they have given. This 2-membered ring you are finding is the okay. ये रिंग दिख रहा है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर आते हैं कि membered ring और साथ में एक और रिंग स्ट्रक्चर है. So the purine they have the double ring structure. Purines are having jaldi karo, they are having the double ring structure. What are the purines? You can note down from the screen now. What are the purines? Take up adenine and guanine. Write down they are. Purine itna likha hai, they are adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine. Should I write down?
Ma'am?
They are, yes.
Ma'am, will you please again explain the structure? Ma'am, your voice was not audible clearly.
Okay, I'll repeat it. They are adenine. So when you write down adenine, put it in bracket. Capital A. So the adenine is denoted by A. The other one is guanine. 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 This is the second purine. This is double ring structure, and it is represented by the G. All are understanding? So I'm repeating now, Rumisha. कि प्यूरिन का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. प्यूरिन इज मेड अप ऑफ द 2 रिंग्स. एक रिंग तो 6-membered रिंग है, दैट इज अ बेंजीन रिंग, एंड टू दैट 6-membered रिंग another 5-membered ring is attached, which is known as the imidazole ring. Okay, so there are 2 types of purines. One is adenine, denoted by A, and another one is guanine, that is denoted by G. Okay, now the pyrimidines, when we take up, it is having the single ring structure. It is having a single ring structure. Okay, so it is having the single, that benzene ring. Okay, single ring structure, and that is a benzene ring. Okay, 6-membered benzene ring. Pyrimidine consists of 6-membered benzene ring structure. Okay, and what are these? So the pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. Cytosine, so it is denoted by C, and thymine. Okay, so thymine is denoted by T. Understood? So how many nitrogenous bases you got now?
2.
4 types. What are those nitrogenous bases? 4 nitrogenous bases. Neha, repeat quickly. What are the 4 nitrogenous bases?
Adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine.
Okay. So how they are classified? These 4
Ma'am, will you
are
repeat?
classified into 2 groups. I'm repeating. See, nitrogenous bases are of 2 types. One is purine, another one is pyridine. Purines are those nitrogenous bases which have got the double ring structure. And what are those? They are adenine and guanine. And pyrimidines are having the single ring structure, and they are cytosine and thymine. Okay. Now, remember, these nitrogenous bases show complementary pairing. They show, what do you mean by they?
Nitrogenous bases.
Means the nitrogenous bases. Here they meaning nitrogenous bases. The nitrogenous bases, the 2 types of nitrogenous bases, they show complementary pairing. Now, how they show the complementary pairing? A pairs A pairs with A pairs with the P. Okay, and the G always pairs with C. ओके, तो एक प्यूरिन ए एक pyrimidine के साथ पेयर होता है. Then the other purine pairs with another pyrimidine. So purines pair with pyrimidines. Okay, and this is a fixed complementary pairing. Okay, what is it? A pairs, that is adenine, pairs with
Thymine.
thymine, and guanine will pair with
Cytosine.
cytosine. Now, children, what you do? A T के बीच में double bond you have to put. Okay, so adenine and thymine, they are joined by double hydrogen bonds. And guanine is bonded with the cytosine by triple hydrogen bond. By triple hydrogen bond.
Can you repeat once again?
I'm repeating. So should I explain the whole nitrogenous basis once again? कि सिर्फ pairing, complementary pairing समझना है.
Ma'am, only complementary pairing.
Only complementary pairing. Remember that purines pair with pyrimidines. Now you have understood that there are 2 types of purines. What are those purines? They are adenine and guanine. Okay, तो adenine, guanine दूसरे pyrimidines के साथ pair करेंगे, and they show the complementary pairing. That pairing is always fixed. The adenine pairs with the thymine, and guanine pairs with the cytosine. Okay, so adenine pairs with thymine by double hydrogen bonds. Okay, and the guanine pairs with the cytosine by triple hydrogen bond. Now try to see in this figure. Okay, so nucleotide, when you see, children, it will have one sugar, one nitrogenous base, and one phosphate. Is it clear? तो इतना पार्ट अगर अपन लेते हैं तो this will be known as a nucleotide. And these nucleotides, they are bonded to each other, and you find that how the bonding is taking place, वो आपको समझना होगा, because DNA is a polynucleotide. DNA is a, we said it is a
Polynucleotide.
polymer. Polymer means it is made up of some monomer units. And what are the monomer units which make up the DNA? जल्दी बोलो. What are the monomer units which make up the DNA?
Nucleotides.
Nucleotides.
Nucleotides. Okay. अब nucleotide समझना है तो nucleotide अब as a whole when you see तो it will be made up of three things. It will have one pentose sugar and which is a deoxyribose sugar. Then it is having a nitrogenous base. एक purine pyrimidine में से कोई एक. Is it clear? So it will be having one nitrogenous base and then the phosphate group will be there. तो ये तीन मिला के हमारा एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड बन जाता है. Now, what is the structure of the DNA? Try to understand. इतने ही components पूरे DNA molecule में present है, but now how they will be bonded? Try to understand. So it consists of DNA consists of the two strands. Now you write down. Change the paragraph and write down. The DNA consists of two strands. Two strands which are made up of alternating molecule of deoxyribose sugar.
Ma'am, will you please repeat?
DNA molecule is made up of the two strands. You call it a strand 1 and 2. Okay. Two strands which are made up of alternating molecules of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate. Deoxyribose sugar and phosphate group. Is this much clear to everyone? इतनी बात समझ आई कि नहीं आई? रुमीशा,
Yes, ma'am.
नेहा,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
रुमीशा, आपको इतना समझ में आ गया? अब इधर पर फिगर में
Yes, ma'am.
देखने की कोशिश करो. फिगर में देखो अपन को ये एक सीधी एक चेन नहीं है. This chain is that is only being it as the strand. एक ये स्ट्रैंड है, एक ये वाला जो दिया है वो दूसरा स्ट्रैंड है. ये दोनों स्ट्रैंड they are bonded together and joined by the steps. So write down now further. The two strands are joined together the two strands are joined together by steps which are made up of nitrogenous bases. The steps are made up of nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases. Noted, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो अब दोनों स्ट्रैंड अब थोड़ा सा विजुलाइज करने की कोशिश करो कि दो स्ट्रैंड्स हैं, दोनों स्ट्रैंड्स बने हुए हैं, डीऑक्सीराइबो शुगर, फिर phosphate, फिर डीऑक्सीराइबो शुगर, फिर एक शुगर है, फिर उससे फॉस्फेट अटैच है, फिर दूसरा शुगर, फिर उससे फॉस्फेट अटैच है. So that is alternating molecule of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate. Now these two strands they are not separated. These two are joined together by steps. उनके बीच में steps है and these steps are made up of the nitrogenous bases. And what are the two nitrogenous bases? Just the two nitrogenous bases. You are not getting what I am explaining. What are the two nitrogenous bases, children?
Purine and
Purine and
pyrimidine.
Purine and
pyrimidine.
pyrimidine.
Yeah, purine and pyrimidine. Okay, and you know pyrimidine pairs with the purine pairs with the pyrimidine. Okay, so how they show the pairing? जल्दी बताइए how they show the pairing.
Adenine pairs with thymine and guanine
Right.
pairs with cytosine.
You have to say that also. That A pairs with T by double hydrogen bond. ये भी बोलना ही है. Can you repeat now?
A pairs with T double hydrogen bond and G pairs
हाँ,
with C with by triple
हाँ,
hydrogen bond.
हाँ, करेक्ट. तो स्टेप्स समझ में आ गए कि स्टेप्स किसके बने हुए हैं. Steps are made up of these nitrogenous bases. Okay, now you can see here in the figure, children, what the diagram is showing कि ये अपने दो strands हो गए, दो strands के बीच में steps है. These steps are made up of two different types of the nitrogenous bases. अब एक तरफ देखो ये डबल मेम्ब्रेन वाला डबल रिंग वाला प्यूरिन है और अदर साइड यू फाइंड देयर इज अ सिंगल रिंग pyrimidine. ठीक है. ऑल्टरनेट में आप देखेंगे तो अगर इधर पर प्यूरिन था इधर पिरामिडीन आ जाता है एंड द अदर साइड इट विल बी प्यूरिन विल पेयर विद ठीक है.
Ma'am, will you
प्यूरिन
please repeat
ऑलवेज
the question?
आई एम सेइंग प्यूरिन ऑलवेज पेयर्स विद
Pyrimidine.
pyrimidine. Purine always pairs with pyrimidine. Now try to see this figure is clear to you or not. ये दिख रहा है अच्छे से आपको? It's too small. What you say, children?
Ma'am, it is visible.
It is visible ना. तो अब यहाँ देखो ये डबल रिंग इसके ग्रीन कलर के सिंगल रिंग वाले से ज्वाइन हो रहा है एंड दिस इज G एंड दिस इज C. तो G इज ज्वाइन बाय 3 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. तो देखो यहाँ पर 3 बॉन्ड्स दिख रहे हैं. Now when you see the AT pairing, तो AT is bonded by double hydrogen bond. ओके, तो यहाँ पर AT है, वहां पर आपको 2 बॉन्ड दिखेंगे, जहां पर GC है वहां पर 3 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड दिखेंगे. इज इट वेरी क्लियर टू यू नाउ? इतनी बात समझ में आई कि नहीं? देन
Yes,
आई विल
ma'am.
गो फर्दर इन डिटेल.
Okay.
Okay, now try to see the diagram which is given on the left hand side. इसी फिगर के बाजू में देखो, you are finding the stairs sort of. Okay, so now try to understand that these two strands are helically coiled. What we say? The two strands are, or the DNA molecule is helically coiled. The two strands are helically coiled. ओके, तो इसलिए ये दिख रहा है रस्सी जैसा आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. तो इन दिस स्ट्रक्चर यू कैन सी वेरी क्लियरली येलो कलर के जो दो दिख रहे हैं रिबन लाइक, दीज आर द टू स्ट्रैंड्स. और बीच में देखो ये स्टेप्स इनको अपन बोल रहे हैं. और स्टेप्स दे आर व्हाट मेड अप ऑफ The steps are made up of
Nitrogenous
Nitrogenous
bases.
bases.
nitrogen
Bases.
bases. Okay, a nitrogenous bases will always show the complementary pairing. What complementary pairing they will show, Raj? Raj, जल्दी बोलिए. What complementary pairing they will show?
ATGC.
ATGC. How the AT will be bonded? Raj, how AT will be bonded? कितने bonds होंगे? Which bond will be there? Fast now.
Ma'am, 5 carbon.
कुछ भी. ए और टी कैसे बॉन्डेड रहेंगे? अभी इतने बार बोल दिया. बारबी, हाउ द ए एंड टी आर बॉन्डेड?
Ma'am, A and P are bonded by double hydrogen bond, and
हाँ,
B, C are paired by triple hydrogen bond.
वेरी गुड. राज, सो जाते हो क्या? राज, अभी हमने
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
बात कितने बार रिपीट की है. और इधर फिगर में भी यही दिखा रहे थे कि जी और सी के बीच में देखो 3 बॉन्ड है. ए और टी के बीच में देखिए कि डबल बॉन्ड है. ये सब पूरा लर्न हो जाना चाहिए. दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड फॉर 5 मार्क्स. Remember, describe the Watson and Crick model of DNA. The structure what we are studying, children, it was given by Watson and Crick. Okay, so he called this structure as Watson and Crick model. Okay, what we are studying, Watson and Crick model. Remember it, Watson and Crick model of DNA. This is the Watson and Crick model of DNA. And according to Watson and Crick, I am repeating now. तो ये इतना समझ गए. आगे इसका डिटेल फिर हम बाद में बताएंगे. इट इज ऑलरेडी 47. नाउ कितना आपको याद रखना, और नेक्स्ट पीरियड में हम आपसे पूछेंगे तो दिस मच यू हैव टू से, ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट. आई एम रिपीटिंग इन 2 minutes. ठीक है. डीएनए, ऑल आर लिसनिंग केयरफुली.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, और ऐसा ही बिल्कुल ऑर्डर में आपको याद कर लेना है. डीएनए इज अ पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड मॉलिक्यूल according to
Watson Crick model.
हाँ, according to Watson and Crick model, DNA is a polynucleotide consisting of the nucleotide units. Each DNA molecule or the DNA molecule consists of the 2 strands, which are made up of called, आप पहले बताओ, called strand 1 and strand 2. They are made up of alternating molecules of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate. The 2 strands are joined together by the nitrogenous bases. They are the purines and pyrimidines. The purines are adenine and guanine, and pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. The purines pair with the pyrimidine. The purines have the double ring structure. So the A pairs with T by double hydrogen bond, and the guanine pairs with the cytosine by the triple hydrogen bond. इतना समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
How many have learned? Ritu, Barbie,
Yes,
Raj,
ma'am.
learned this much?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. अब कैसे बॉन्डिंग होती है, what is this 5 dash and what is this 3 dash, all that we will be discussing in the next period. Okay, so this diagram is showing sorry, that how the adenine is joined with the deoxyribose sugar. Okay, and when this is joined, we call it as deoxy adenosine. What you call it?
deoxyadenosine.
हाँ, तो ये क्या कहलाया? दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियोसाइड. ये क्या बन गया? नाइट्रोजनस बेस प्लस द शुगर. इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ न्यूक्लियोसाइड. अब इसमें अगर फॉस्फेट अटैच कर देंगे तो फिर वो क्या बन जाएगा? What it will become if the phosphate is attached to the nucleoside?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What it will become if the phosphate is attached to this deoxyribose sugar and the nitrogenous base?
Nucleoside.
अभी तो न्यूक्लियोसाइड है, फॉस्फेट जुड़ने पर वो क्या कहलाएगा?
Nucleotide. Nucleotide.
हाँ, तो अब इतनी जितना आपने लिखा है ना उसको ध्यान से आपको पढ़ना है. ऑल दिस आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग. ये जो पूरा दिया हुआ है ये सब बॉन्डिंग कैसे हो रही है, दिस विल डू इट नेक्स्ट पीरियड. ओके, एंड आई विल बी सेंडिंग the structures of the deoxyribose, then ribose, फिर पूरे आपके 4 तरह के जो अपन नाइट्रोजन बेसिस उनके स्ट्रक्चर्स भेजेंगे. ऑल दैट यू विल मेक इट इन द नोटबुक. Okay, and then after making those structures also, then you send me the PDF. ठीक है, अभी मत भेजना. I will be sending today itself the DNA structure, न्यूक्लियोटाइड का स्ट्रक्चर, न्यूक्लियोसाइड का स्ट्रक्चर, साथ में पूरे आपके नाइट्रोजन बेसिस. तो 5 टाइप्स आ गए. रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन, अपन ने यूरेसिल नहीं पढ़ा. यूरेसिल आरएनए में होता है. टुडे वी विल डिस्कसिंग द डीएनए. ओके, तो डीएनए में ATGC होता है. ओके, और आरएनए में T इज नॉट देयर, इंस्टेड यूरेसिल इज देयर. ओके, तो आपको स्ट्रक्चर पांचों का बता देंगे. तो नाउ आई एम स्टॉपिंग द शेयरिंग. So we'll do Shanti part, children. Raj, revise nicely everything, okay? And draw the structure and the diagram and then send me the PDF as you receive the structures. So now join your hands. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram.
Thank you, ma'am. Sairam, ma'am.
Sai Ram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sai Ram. Sai Ram. Okay, welcome. So you can leave now. Quickly, next class is there. Na?